Handling metal clips for home appliances can be tricky. Different shapes, sizes, and a high tendency to tangle make it a real challenge. For this application, a configuration featuring two flexible 650 units integrated with external swivel units and equipped with brush sets to ensure even distribution of components was implemented. The system works in combination with a FANUC robot and FlexiVision for precise inspection and positioning. FlexiBowl, your universal and reliable solution for complex feeding and assembly tasks.